Hi everyone and welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today I am going to share an exciting case study that showcases how we have helped a client in the bridal and formal wear industry completely turn their Google AdWords campaign. If you have been struggling with your Google Ads, wondering why your campaigns are not delivering the results you expect, then this case study is specifically for you. I will walk you through the challenges we have faced, how we have solved them, and the amazing results we have achieved. In terms of the client history, our client, an online store selling wedding dresses, formal wear and the other bridal accessories, was in a tough spot. Despite having a wide range of beautiful products, their monthly sales were stagnating at around $2,000 or so. They had been running the Google AdWords campaign for some time but were not seeing the success that they have hoped for. To make matters worse, their Merchant Center account had been suspended and they had no idea why this was happening. With no real answers, they came to us to help, hoping we could get the things back on track. When we first look at the Google AdWords account, the first question we have asked ourselves was, why wasn't the campaign running effectively? It didn't take long to uncover several issues that were causing the poor performance. The biggest problem was the Merchant Center suspension. Without an optimized and the compliant feed, their products could not be shown to potential customers on Google search. Imagine running a campaign and just not being able to display your products without visibility. It was just no surprise that the ads were not generating much traffic and consequently the sales were low. Another major issue we found was the lack of conversion tracking. This is one of the most essential parts of the Google AdWords campaign. Without any conversion tracking, our client had just no way of measuring the success of their ads. How could they know which ads were performing well and which ones were not? Without this crucial data, it was almost impossible to optimize the campaigns for better results. On top of that, the audience targeting was too broad. Their ads was being shown to the people who might not even be interested in the wedding and the formal wear. Instead of targeting the people who were actively looking for dresses or the formal wear within the specific price range, their ads were reaching anyone and everyone, which meant they were wasting money on the clicks that were not converting into sales. With all these challenges in the mind, we have immediately began working on a solution. We knew that in order to get the campaigns back on track, we had to address these core issues one by one. First, we have focused on fixing the Merchant Center suspension. We have reviewed and optimized the product feed to ensure that it met Google's strict standards. We cleaned up the product title, description, images and prices to make them clear, concise and appealing to the potential customers. By making these changes, we not only resolved the suspension but also made the product more attractive in Google search results, which significantly increased the visibility. Next, we have set up the conversion tracking. This was a game changer. With conversion tracking in place, we could now measure exactly how well the ads were performing. This allowed us to see which campaigns were driving sales and which were not, giving us the data needed to optimize the campaigns based on the informed decisions. Finally, we have restructured their campaigns and focused on improving the targeting. Instead of casting a wide net, we had narrowed down the targeting to people actively searching for wedding and formal dresses, paying close attention to the specific price points. This allowed us to reach the right audience, people who were already looking for what the client had to offer, which greatly increased the chances of the conversions. We also made sure to utilize the two powerful campaign types, that is the standard shopping and the PMAX. Standard shopping campaigns allowed us to showcase the client's product directly in the Google search, while the PMAX campaign extended the reach across other Google platforms like the YouTube, Gmail and the display. By using both, we were able to drive more qualified traffic and ensure the client products were being seen by a wider yet relevant audience. The results we have achieved were remarkable. After implementing these changes, the client's sales skyrocketed from $2,000 to almost $48,000 per month. Not only did the sales increase dramatically, but their ROAS soared to around 26.46, meaning they were making 26.46 for every dollar spent on the ads. This was an incredible turnaround that showcased how just impactful proper optimization can be. So what can be learned from this? So if you are facing the challenges with your Google Ads campaign, it's very important to start asking, why isn't the campaign running effectively? Is your Merchant Center feed optimized? Are you tracking the conversion? Is your targeting too broad? Identifying these key issues and addressing them can make all the difference. Optimizing your Merchant Center feed, setting up the conversion tracking and refining your targeting are the fundamental steps steps to success in any Google AdWords campaign. So if you have any campaigns running in the similar niche, you can contact us for the free audit. There is a phone number on the top right corner. You can contact us on WhatsApp. We will be able to get started with the free audit of your PPC account. Once we have the access, we will be able to let you know what you are doing and what you need to do in order to maximize the ROI from the campaign. But on the other side of things, if you do not have any campaigns running, then don't worry about it. Basically, you can still contact us with some basic information like the website URL, monthly budget, and the location targeting. We can do the research and then we can get back with the plan of action on what you can do to bring your business online to the next level. Please do like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to click on the bell icon. Thank you for watching the video.